In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay premium Reliance Nippon life insurance 2026 if you need to pay your Reliance Nippon life insurance premium online. This process is usually quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full payment flow so you can complete it smoothly and make sure your policy stays active without interruption. To begin, go to the official Reliance Nippon life insurance customer portal or open the mobile app. Once you're there, log into your account using your policy-related login details. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right policy information without any confusion. If you're using a personal device, it can make the process faster, but always be careful when signing in on a shared computer or public network. After logging in, find and select the policy for which you want to pay the premium. This is especially important if you have more than one policy linked to your profile. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct one before moving forward. Next, review your premium details carefully. Check the premium amount, the due date, and the policy information shown on the screen. This step helps you avoid mistakes and gives you a chance to confirm that everything matches your records. If anything looks unusual, it's best to pause and verify the details before making the payment. Once everything looks correct, choose your payment method. Depending on what's available in your account, you may be able to pay using a credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, or another online payment option. Pick the method that's most convenient for you and make sure you have any required banking or payment app access ready before continuing. Now go ahead and complete the transaction. Enter or confirm the payment details, then authorize the payment when prompted. During this stage, avoid refreshing the page or closing the app since that can sometimes interrupt the transaction. Wait until you see a clear confirmation message on the screen. After the payment is successful, save your payment receipt. You can usually download it, print it, or take a screenshot for your records. Keeping proof of payment is useful in case you ever need to reference the transaction later. Finally, verify your policy status. Check that the premium payment has been successfully processed and that your policy remains active. This final confirmation gives you peace of mind and ensures everything has been updated properly. That's how to pay your Reliance Nippon life insurance premium online in 2026.